Then,
we got to tell a story.
what story do you tell today?
I will show you now. Once upon a time, there lived an aeroplane called Gentleman.
Oh, just comment.
Gentleman very fast in the sky.
Oh, very
And
fast.
one day, they have a helicopter talking to every day.
Uh-huh.
And he says, "You're bigger than me." Every day he said that. "You bigger than me." Someday, Diamond Head come.
Wow.
A jewel.
I'm strong.
I
Diamond.
saw, and they make this one a jewel cannot move. And tree open the jewel, and he angry. The fighting horse come.
Horse come. Wow.
This horse say really fast, and the craving crew try to fighting really hard, but you can't shut up. And they're fighting and fighting. No one win.
Wow.
And then this one win.
Oh, helicopter win.
And this one shut off. And this win 2-1. And they become friends.
Oh, they are friends. Oh, and live happily ever after.
And he can fly. And he can fly really fast. Really fast. And he weigh a lot of jewels. And he a lot of fighting. The end.
Thank you, Sen.